What is the doubt here?
Like, how will the collision happen? Like, after collision, what will happen?
Find out V2 after collision. Elastic.
2m1 by m1 plus m2 into v naught.
And what is V1?
m1 minus m2 into v naught by m1 plus m2.
What if M2 is 0? Can you tell me the velocities if M2 is 0?
v1 will be v naught and v2 will be 2 v naught.
With this velocity, are you getting the energy conserved?
No, sir.
How?
Because for m1 initial energy itself will be half m1 v naught squares.
Mm-hmm.
So energy will be conserved.
Correct. Energy will be conserved. So this lighter one will have double the velocity. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now when this ball and this light thing collide, just before collision, what is the ball velocity?
Root 2 gh.
Just after collision, how much will be the ball velocity?
Root 2 gh.
And what will be the Planck velocity?
Twice of root 2 gh.
With that kinetic energy, it will try to compress the spring. How much
Yes, sir.
compression can it do to the spring before losing all its velocity? 0.
Yes, sir.
If you do energy conservation, half mv square will convert into half kx square kind of thing.
Yes, sir.
Or you can consider mg also. Mass is not there only. So how much compression can it develop before losing its velocity?
0, sir.
So it will lose its velocity immediately. If it loses its velocity immediately, can we say that the collision will happen again?
Yes, sir.
But the block will keep going down now.
Yes, sir.
So it will be as good as sticking only. Because every time the ball collides, its velocity is not affected. But this velocity becomes double, but that double velocity is good for nothing. It can't compress the spring, so it stops. Again, the ball collides, and again it gets double velocity, but it stops. Again, it collides, gives double velocity, it stops. So as the ball keeps going down, it keeps colliding with the plank. The plank can't go down at all, so it keeps colliding with the ball. So it's like as if they are sticking to each other because the collision is continuous. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So it's like a sticking only, sticking and this thing are not different from each other. So there is no collision. You can just say that there is a block ball which has got a velocity of root 2 gh. When will the maximum velocity be reached?
It will be root 2 gh.
After this, will its velocity be increasing or decreasing?
It will be decreasing.
Because of which force?
Spring force.
Any other force is there or not?
Mg will be acting, sir.
Initially, who is dominating, mg or kx?
Mg, sir.
So his speed is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing, sir.
Huh?
Increasing, sir.
Till when?
Till Mg will become equal to Kx.
Huh? Find out that maximum velocity. How will you do that?
We can assume the extension in the spring to be x X will be
Mm-hmm.
equal to G by K, sir.
Mm-hmm.
We can do energy conservation, sir.
You can do energy conservation, or you can write V max as A omega. Energy conservation also, like, it will be lengthy only. V max is equal to A omega. Or you can write like this. What is the velocity right now? Root 2 gh. What is the omega? Root k by m. What is the x right now?
Mg by K.
This is A and omega is root k by m. Is that okay? This is the V max.
Yes, sir.
Then you can find out the maximum acceleration also. Check whether the answer is matching. And the same thing you should get through energy conservation also.
Matching, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.